Alright, girl, come here now. Get here. Get here now. Let me tell you something. How you doing? My name is Grandma. Last name Jackson. I'm wondering, can you see my glasses? You know something? Give me my glasses. My glasses. Let me tell you something. Get away from my body. Go to the Volvo, S.A. Now go, girl, I ain't done yet, get back here. Grandma tell you when you leave. Now, let me tell you something real quick. The cat sugar bomb been on the backwards for half an hour. Okay? She been on that toilet. I'm getting kind of worried about her. Ain't you gonna do something? Don't you smile when Grandma talking to you. You want some of this liquor? You too young. You see? Young alcoholism. Now, let me tell you something now. I'm getting kind of sleepy in my head. It's starting to hurt. Grandma been drinking too much. I need to go upstairs, babe, and go find Grandma's son. Tylenol PM, which is good for me. I ain't doing it. Get back here. So let me tell you something. I called your mom about half an hour ago. And I tell you something.